Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Wednesday, February 5th, 2025.
I'm Marco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Pythons. Welcome back to Python TV.
This is your friendly reminder that art is selling their Valentine's Day grams today. Make sure you grab one from that special someone. Now here are your daily announcements. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow morning using updates. Have a great day. Go Python!